Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. 50% is our daily goal. That's what we're looking for, and we did it again. Got up this morning, saw the market moving, turned the bot on, 4 contracts, 31.50 or 31.40, and shut it off. And yes, it kept on making money, but we'll just show you here. This one right here would have been a winner. Right here would have been a winner. And let's see, that one would not have made a trade. This right here would have been a winner. There would have been another winner here. And possibly another one here. Depends on if it took profit there. I don't think it would have. I think it would have taken profit here. And so that's what, I lost my count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1 loser there. So it would be 6, 1, and let's see here. It would have missed this whole run. 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. 9. So 9 more winners, which would have been 800. So 9 and 8, and then we had the 1 loser. So 9 and 7. So $6,300 if I did my math right there. Is that right? Or not 9. Been 806 would have been $4,800 more. So $4,800 more if I'd left it on, so that would have been $7,900 on 4 contracts. But what I teach is get your 50% and be done. Don't be greedy. Get your 50% of your trade. And what I mean by that, a lot of people ask is, if you are trading 1 contract on NASDAQ, that's $1,000. So our goal is to try to make $500. So once you make your $500, call it a day. If you need more money, do more contracts. Don't be greedy in the market. Right there's another winner. So the market is moving really good, and a lot of good trades will be coming in there, and doing very well. So, but again, you hit your goal, you go ahead and shut it off, and you go live life. That's why you're trading, is you want to go live life, right? You want to just take off and do the things you love, and not be sitting at a computer all the time. That's what you want to do. So how you get started on this. So we come up here, go to SpyMoneyLSE.com. When you go there, you go over to the Ninja Suite, and you have to do something before you can join, and that is agree to some terms. And I'd like you to read through this and make sure that you understand this. The biggest thing is the bots are not a set it and leave it. You don't turn them on and then take off and go to work and come back and be rich. It's just not the way a bot works. There's companies out there that will tell you that, but it's not true. This bot, you need to be there with it and watch it. It enters the trade, it enters the stop, and it also enters the take profit. So it will fully function on its own and do what it's supposed to do. But things happen. NinjaTrader is glitchy at times. Your data is glitchy. Your internet is glitchy. Sometimes your PC, and things happen, and you need to be there in case something happens to where you can shut it off and reset or whatever you need to do. If you agree to all these terms, then you just go ahead and highlight this all the way down to here, right click it, and then come up to your Contact Us. When you come up to Contact Us, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then right click and paste it. This is a binding contract between you and I want to make sure that you understand everything before you spend money. It's very important that you understand what to do. And one thing about a lot of people ask me is, how do I get started on this, as far as like on the bots and so forth? And before we go into that, I almost forgot. We do offer, or not offer, but we recommend 4 funded accounts, prop firms, and these 4 here. Most people do the BluSky and the Apex. These are the 2 most people do. There's coupons down here that you can use. Put that in there, you'll get the best discount. And then a lot of people want to know, how to do this. So only thing you do is you open up your chart, just a blank chart. I usually have levels on it. And then you come up here to this little tab and it's strategies. You click on that, and then you go to open this up, you open up Coaster, and you come down here to the template, you load it, and this one right here is the one that we're running. That is what we're running. You go ahead and load that, and once you load it, then you just set your account that you want, and you come up here and you unpause it. So if you would want to trade, you would go ahead and let me wait until it goes through. I don't want it to enter a trade on me. Let me wait until it gets to a connection. I don't want to enter a trade. I'm done for the day. So I don't want any mishaps or anything. A lot of times people will just keep on trading and they get greedy. Now there's rules that we have to follow when we turn these on, and these big numbers here are the rules that we need to follow. We need to know for sure if that's what we want to do or not. And so I teach you how to know if you should be turning it on or not. Like right now is not an area that you want to turn it on. And you want to make sure that it's turned off and you're not going to be trading any right now. So when you get there, you just click on this pause button and it turns green. That means it's a live bot. When you turn it to unpause and it goes yellow, that means that it will not trade. Now you can also, like say you missed the trade, you got it turned on and the trade was there and you didn't get started, you can hit your manually long or your manual short. And it will go ahead and enter the trade, and then the bot will take over based on the settings. There's break even tick, so if it gets up so far, you can hit this button, it'll go to break even. You can move the stop ever so many ticks. So if it takes off and you've got a runner, you could just keep on hitting this and move it. You can also turn this on, and if you turn this on, if you're, say it's in a long, and your profit target is say right here, if you click up here, it'll automatically move it there. You don't have to grab the target, the flag, and then push it up here and push it. You can just click on this chart and it will automatically move. So that's something we added that's made it very helpful, because when you're trading, you need something that's going to work fast. So if this goes up and you want your stop right here, once it gets above that, then you can go ahead and click right now, and then it will go ahead and put your stop in. So there's things that we do to make things a lot easier for you. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Go up to the contact form on the website, put your questions in there, and I'm sure you'll do fine. This is a lot of people in our Discord call it the magic bot, but I don't classify any bot as magic. This one is a very good bot. With the settings and everything, it works great. The entries are spot on, and as long as you follow the rules on it, you should do fine. Another thing, a lot of people ask, can you use this on a prop account? My bots will trade any account that is in your account list. It's up to you to follow the rules with the prop firm and decide that. So you would just need to talk to them. But from my understanding is bots, as long as the bots that we're using are used, then it's pretty good. But if you use these high frequency trading bots, those are the ones that they're really talking about they don't want you to use, because the entries are in and out really fast. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you, and we can get you started today. If you're fully aware of how to use NinjaTrader, then you can be trading, have this up and running in about an hour. It doesn't take very long. If you don't understand NinjaTrader, your learning curve's a little bit more, and that depends on the person. Some days, sometimes it's a day, sometimes it's a week, sometimes it's a month. It depends on the person. NinjaTrader is a little bit of a learning curve, but it's not too bad. We have videos on it too. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.